This is now part 4 of the build that I'm working on. It's shaping up nicely. When you put these sides on, make sure you put tape and glue this line where the wings meet. Also, may want to put some tape along where the motor mount is to really make this nice and strong. You also need to put tape on the foam. When you tape this, if you try to tape it with this kind of tape, it won't stick. So I'm using this packaging tape that's really heavy duty. And you want to start at the wing all the way over and then go from the back and work your way up as you go. Make sure you get tape all the way in here and all the way around to make this really strong and the nose strong. Alright, so that's next. All the way across and all the way on this side as well. I use picture hooks like this to create these little notches so the rubber band will go over the canopy. So over. Same thing on this side. This is another airplane that I have. That way it'll hold the canopy down. Okay, so it's all taped up. Like I said, just start from the back and work your way up, overlaying it. Okay, these little hooks right here, let's make them straight, push them all the way through, then bend them backwards. Almost done, guys. Alright, you need to measure your top out where your latch clip is for your rubber band. You need to cut this backwards so it folds and then tape it and cut a little spar in between here and glue half of it so it glues down, but you're still able to flip this back and forth. I also put a spoon here so the wind will go over this. This will go in here like this. And I put a spoon on the bottom side, and this is cardboard so the wind will go out. Alright, so now we're going to do the fins. There are 2 of them. This is about 7 inches apart, and do 2 lines straight up. This is 5 1/4 for this edge, and then 3 1/2 from this point straight up, which is 4 1/4, and that's a little point right here. This is 5 1/4 across, and then this is 6 inches at an angle. You can make the fins however you want it. You also get some tape and do an edge if you want to, like that. Okay, let's put it all together. Okay, the plane's done. I'm not going to paint it or tape it and try to fly it. There are some concerns I have about flying it. One is the CG. I'm not too sure if I got it correctly or not. Second concern is this part right here. It may catch the wind and push the nose down. On the other one over here, I have it more of a swoop angle. So I did it a little differently than my other airplane. Other concern I have is this back part. How it's thick right here. There's 2 ways of doing this. One way is to shave this down on a 45, like this right here, so I have 2 45s right here. So that makes that's also a concern that I have as well. But let's go fly it and see how it does. Okay, so here we go. I'm a little nervous, also excited. Either it's going to go really good or it's going to go really bad. Alright, it's up. It's flying. Looking good. I'm going to bring it back now. I don't know if y'all can see it, but y'all can hear it. I need more up elevator. It doesn't want to climb up as much, so. Oh boy. I know y'all can't probably see it. I'm sorry. Looking good. Looking good. I'm going to bring it back around. Hopefully y'all can see it now. Bring it over. Very nice. My heartbeat is pounding. Woo! It's flying. All right, one more pass. I'm gonna land it. Here we go. All right, guys, so it flies. I'm very happy with it. Let's bring it in for landing. Okay, coming in. Glides looks good. Uh-oh. It wanted to skip on me. All right. Here's the plane all painted and taped. The tape, well actually the paint, Create for Less. That's where I order my paint from. And Tape Brothers for the tape. All right, let's go put it up in the air one more time. Flight number 2 coming up. Oh, my heart is pounding. Woo! All right, I'm gonna bring it around nice and slow. And I'm gonna kick it. Here we go. Going vertical. Bring it down. So the flight's great, guys. Really excited about it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone out for us flying and making airplanes. Woo! And back around, here we go. All right, here we go. Coming for landing. Hope y'all can see it. Beautiful. All right.